tea and ginger are two ingredients that have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Here are some potential health benefits of green tea and ginger. 1. Improved blood flow. Ginger root is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, all of which contribute to healthy blood flow. When your circulation is improved, your organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function correctly. 2. Digestive health. Both green tea and ginger have compounds that stimulate digestive enzymes, helping our stomach process food more efficiently. They can also help relieve indigestion, bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Green tea and ginger have compounds that can help counteract excessive inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various conditions, including arthritis, where joints become swollen and painful.